Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the user agent in your Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the menu. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says More Tools. This will expand a submenu showing additional Chrome features. In this submenu, locate and click on Developer Tools. This action will open Chrome's built-in developer console, which gives you access to a wide range of advanced browser features and settings. Once you click Developer Tools, you'll notice a new panel appears on the right side of your browser window. This is the Developer Tools interface, and it's packed with options for testing and debugging websites. Now look at the top section of this Developer Tools panel. You'll see another set of three vertical dots up there. Click on those three dots to access the Developer Tools settings menu. Similar to before, hover your mouse over the More Tools option within this menu. This will reveal yet another submenu with specialized developer features. From this expanded list, click on Network Conditions. This feature allows you to simulate different network environments and browser configurations, which is exactly what we need for changing the user agent. After clicking Network Conditions, a new section will appear on the right side of your Developer Tools panel. Take a moment to locate the User Agent section within this area. This is where Chrome lets you control how your browser identifies itself to websites. By default, Chrome uses its standard user agent string, but you can customize this to test how sites respond to different browsers or devices. You'll notice a checkbox next to Use Browser Defaults. Go ahead and uncheck this box. Disabling this option allows you to manually select a different user agent instead of using Chrome's default identification. Once you uncheck it, you'll see a drop-down menu become active. Click on the drop-down menu that's now available. You'll be presented with a list of preset user agents, including options for different browsers like Firefox, Safari, and even mobile devices like iPhone or Android. Choose the user agent you want to use from this list. This tells websites that you're visiting them from a different browser or device, which can be useful for testing compatibility or accessing content that might be restricted to specific platforms. And that's it. You've successfully changed your user agent in Chrome, allowing your browser to identify itself differently to websites. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.